Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, I like this image. This is one of the best of my work, and I'm gonna try this picture to make it illustrated photo. Well, I'm going to use this image, and also I made this image by Adobe Photoshop. Use the filter called Find Edges. Then, well, I'm going to add, excuse me, I'm going to add the other, layer. Then I'm going to change the layer mode to darken on this pencil line, sort of line the image. Then I'm gonna fade this one down just a touch. Well, almost 35%. So I see the image color wise, and well, let's try on something new I haven't done before. Well, okay, duplicate this layer, then go back to opacity 100%. Then I'm going to use smudge tool. Let's go with real dynamic touch on smudge. How about this? Heart. That's what it said in Japanese. I don't know if you can find in your iPad app. Well, let's try it. Now I'm gonna go with real dynamic touch, a big brush. And then first go maybe about here. Since this is a smudge tool, all the colors are mixed. That's why it shows this gray color, right? Let's see. This is the first one. I can't go back, I think. And then again, I'm gonna make another duplicate layer to tap on this layer. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this one down to smudge. Again, I'm gonna use this, but how come it doesn't? Oh, okay. Opacity is max. Okay, now then I'm gonna again smudge with hearts. Now this is a little bit smaller. Oops. It still shows same kind of gray. Okay. Okay, now try out. Okay, third. Now just to go back to max opacity on this layer, then make the duplicate. Then move this one to over this layer. Then I'm gonna use smudge again, same hearts. Okay, then make it real small. Then start smudge. Okay, now let's see. We have this smudge image. Then next one is a little bit bigger. Smudge. Then third one is so much big. We don't see any image, just gray paint. Okay, still have original image here, so I don't worry about this. Just turn this one off. Then let's make mask on this. Then let's try this. We never used before. Cool. Pronunciation, is that right? Okay. Now I'm gonna invert this mask. Then I'm gonna again take the white and I'm gonna draw on this. Make it bigger. I see that little outlines from here, huh? Okay. That's a dark one, so that's fine. I'm gonna make a mask to take these off later. Okay, now I'm gonna review the mask. How much I want to use this. I'm gonna make the shape overall. Then same thing again. Make mask. Then invert. Then reveal on this with a little bit small. Oops. I have to open this one so I can see the image underneath. Interesting, this brush is moving. It's not fixed until now, just as soon as you touch it. No, it does have a little bit movement. Okay, now I'm gonna make another, open this image, then make mask, again also invert, then use the brush, same thing. Cool, this is one. Then make it small. Okay. This one. Yes, you can see the image. Slowly. Now you got the idea what I'm doing. Yes, I'm making three of the image, then outlines shows the image of all, then this touch the texture of the brush. It's going to show that image whole thing, and I'm going to move this base image, go up to top. Actually, I'm not using this. Maybe I'm going to use later. Well, okay, now I'm going to make mask on this too. Well, just in case I'm going to make duplicate, then let's keep this one all the way down. For future, I don't know. I may want to use that. But anyways, I'm gonna use this image, make mask, again invert, then same brush I'm holding, then use the real small. I want to see her beautiful face, of course. So reveal some. If I want some big brush texture on around here, just 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to change the name first. Big. Okay. If I want this layer mask, and then same brush, make bigger. Now it's time to make the mask on this pencil drawing. Okay, make mask. Then again, invert, same. This one is use the same brush too. You don't see any pencil lines on this. Not on her face, on the outside. Okay, maybe this much. This is fine. I don't want to reveal all the way, otherwise it's going to show me the picture. So take this, just minimum, show some. The other way, hide with this. You don't use the eraser at all, only the brush. Then, well, I may try to add some color for background. Let's see how it looks like. Change the layer mode to, I kind of like hard light. Hard light, okay. Try on this again more. On same layer, this is color. Change to the red. Let it make it small. Okay, and the eraser. Oh, wait a minute. My cool. So change to the eraser, artistic, or same brush texture. I'm gonna erase this. This side of the bluish purple. Okay, and then I may take this one, just touch. Okay, add some more blue on blue-green around here. Show the image a little more cleaner look. To clean up some. I'm gonna change the mask name too. Big one, layer mask. Okay, this one, rename, big. Good. Okay, I change out the name so I know what that is. And then this is the last image I got so far. Okay, this is it for today. thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys get some kind of idea to make some creative image for your work. And I see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye now. Ciao.